Hello, my name is Mashakova and I'm going to present my final project. The theme is Sweet Shop. It is written in JavaScript. The main libraries are Mongoose and Node.js. Here is the MongoDB URL which I'm using to connect to Sweet Shop database. And here is I'm creating the collection of each session. Now I'm going to run my project by writing npm start. The node app.js is started to run through all the constant, and now we can write in a browser localhost 3000. Here you can see the main page. Here's all the projects. If we go to products page, we can see the details of each candy. Here's the pagination, so it's only 8 products per page. Here is a sign up page. If we write some invalid information for password or email, we will get the all needed errors. The password has to be at least 8 characters. And now we are going to sign up as an admin. We are automatically sent to the login. It also has arrows, the error messages about invalid email or password. And now we are going to sign in as our new admin. Here you can see the shop products, but also added cart, order history, admin products, and add product. Let's add product. Here we get to the images, folder images in our Sweet Shop folder. We are going to choose some picture, write some price, and the description. If we go to our database, here is our new candy. Let's add another one very quickly. We have to write the yes, we also have error messages about more long description. And yes, we have to choose the image again. And now if we go to our database and refresh it, we can see our new candy gummy bears. So we created just one. We can of course also in a product we can also of course read it. We can update only our products. Let's make the price a bit less. And also we can, let's see, here's, and also we can delete our, so here's candy corn and now it's deleted. Now let's add some candies to our cart. We are automatically sent to the cart. Let's add something else, and now let's order it. Here's our total, and now we are going to pay with card. I'm using the Stripe website. It is for imitating the payment transactions. It also provides fake credit card numbers. I'm writing the email, expiration date, and 3 digits number. The payment is successful, and here we can see our craft data. Also here now we have order history. We can also get the invoice. It will automatically translate it into PDF file, and we can download it. Now here in the code, I'm using the aggregation for certain product, and also finding by ID for deleting, updating, and saving all the changes. Also, I'm using the router for saving our changes by adding and editing. In authentication, I'm also aggregating. I'm trying different ways to find the user that I need. I'm also using the hash by finding all the needed information. Can also reset the arrows and reset the password. Here I'm setting also how many items per page. Here we can write the extensions for the images, which is only PNG, JPG, and JPEG. And here is my pages for errors in case of some missing information. Here is my order history, where I can see my user's email and the quantity and what kind of product he ordered. Here's the product candy itself. Here's the sessions, and here's all the users. There's also a card of with the array, and which is connect to with the orders, and in orders we can get the array of products. I think that's it. Thank you for your attention.